Good morning, I am Vishwan from Aram. Before stream 1, I had seen an article that shows me over 1 lakh different varieties of dyes exist in the marine and other water. Around 7 lakh tons of textile waste produced annually. It's heartbreaking information tempting me to find a solution for this problem. As studying more, many industries does not use filtration method because there are two types of filtration method are there. One is eco-filtration method and another one is chemical filtration method. Both eco-filtration method and chemical filtration method have some drawbacks. Chemical filtration method is nothing but use chemical to filtrate water, but it produces highly concentrated secondaries. And eco-filtration method is nothing but use like activated carbon, activated coconut to remove dyes from our water, but it is too expensive. So many industry owners cannot afford it. So I find a new solution that is called eco-beads. The basic procedure of eco-bead is I choose 3 varieties of fruits such as pomegranate, lemon and banana. After choosing the fruits, I collect the fruit peel. After collecting of this fruit peel, I drain it and grind it. After well drained, it becomes nice powder. After I took one beaker and add 50 ml water, 1 gram of glycerin, 1.5 gram of sodium alternate and 5 gram of any peel powder. Mix well, it becomes smooth slowly. After that, I took another beaker and add 100 ml of water, 2.5 gram of calcium chloride. After well dissolving of calcium chloride, that water solution becomes calcium carbonate. Take that smooth slurry and drop it on calcium carbonate. Our eco-beads are naturally formed. In this project, my hypothesis is not true because I expect that pomegranate exhibit highest bio-adsorbent due to its tannins and polyatomic compounds. But among all bio-adsorbent, banana performed well compared to other beads because of its cellulose and hemicellulose of its. This is my samples. Peat powders, eco drop beads, dye absorption in metal blue and also metal yellow and converted. Thank you.